Have you ever felt the sting of absence, the haunting echo of a love lost, a connection severed? In the depths of our hearts, we yearn for those we cherish to miss us deeply. But what if I told you that the key to this longing lies not in the pursuit of others, but in the mastery of ourselves? Today, we embark on a journey through the ancient wisdom of Stoicism, a path that teaches us resilience, self-control, and the profound art of emotional transcendence. We stand on the shoulders of giants, Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, who remind us that our emotions are not our masters, but our servants. In a world that often feels chaotic and unpredictable, we must cultivate an inner fortress, a sanctuary of tranquility amidst the storm. To make any woman miss you deeply, we must first understand the essence of our own being. Let us reflect on the teachings of Epictetus, who proclaimed, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." When we allow ourselves to be consumed by destructive emotions, jealousy, insecurity, desperation, we become shadows of our true selves. Instead, we must embrace the Stoic practice of emotional resilience. We must learn to respond, not react, to choose our thoughts wisely, and to cultivate a sense of purpose that transcends the fleeting whims of desire. Imagine for a moment a woman who sees you not as a source of validation, but as a beacon of strength and self-assuredness. This is the power of Stoicism. When we embody the principles of self-control and emotional fortitude, we become magnetic. We draw others in not through desperation, but through the quiet confidence that comes from knowing our worth. Seneca reminds us, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. The fear of loss, the anxiety of absence, these are but illusions that cloud our judgment. To make someone miss you, we must first liberate ourselves from the chains of fear. We must practice the art of detachment, not as a means of pushing others away, but as a way to cultivate a deeper connection with ourselves. When we are whole, we invite others to see the beauty of our completeness. Let us not forget the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, who urged us to dwell on the beauty of life. When we focus on the present moment, we create memories that linger in the hearts of those we cherish. We must engage fully, listen deeply, and share authentically. In doing so, we become unforgettable. The absence we create is not one of neglect, but of profound presence, an echo that resonates long after we part. As we navigate the complexities of relationships, let us remember that true power lies in our ability to remain steadfast in the face of uncertainty. We must embrace the Stoic practice of amor fati, love of fate, accepting that every encounter, every moment of absence is a part of our journey. In this acceptance, we find freedom. In this freedom, we cultivate a longing that is not born of need, but of genuine connection. So, dear friends, as we seek to make any woman miss us deeply, let us first embark on the journey of self-mastery. Let us cultivate resilience, embrace emotional clarity, and live with purpose. In doing so, we not only transform ourselves, but also create a space where love can flourish, a space where absence becomes a powerful reminder of the beauty we once shared. Remember, it is not the pursuit of others that defines us, but the mastery of ourselves. Let us walk this path together as we strive to become the best versions of ourselves, unforgettable, resilient, and profoundly human.